Welcome to Getting Toned Sexy Arms. Let's begin. The first exercise is for the back of those arms. Keep your back strong and straight and lift your palms upward, and now feel it in the back of those arms. So when we wave goodbye, nothing will jiggle. Lift and tone the triceps. First of all, make sure your knees are bent to protect your back. Lift and lower in a pulsing action. This will help firm and shape the triceps. That's it. Keeping those muscles nice and strong and healthy. Great toned, firm, sculpted arms. Good, we got two more of these. Hold it up now, hold. Little baby pulses up. And relax. Okay, and circle the arms all the way around. Opening up through the chest. That's it. Nice, strong arms. Feel the stretch all the way around. Opening up through the chest. Stretch and tone at the same time. Firming our muscles of the upper body. That's it. The chest, the shoulders, as well as your arms. Last one. Beautiful. Switch sides. Switch and open up the chest. That's it. Really feel a big circle. Stretch those arms. Tone those arms. You got it. You're gonna look great in our tank tops. That's it. Good. We got two more. Circle all the way around. Last one and relax. And now let's begin bicep curls. You don't need any weights with this workout. You're more than happy to grab a pair of weights, but not always you have to need weights. So this is a great exercise that firms the biceps. Just make sure you're concentrating on the muscles. Feel it. That's it. Concentrate and focus on your biceps. You're doing a little bit of a isometric hold here. That's it. Come on. Really feel it. We got two more. Last one. Bicep curls. Great. Now hold it right up here. And we're going to do baby lifts and lower. That's it. Knees are bent. Legs are together. And lift and lower. This is shaping the shoulders. Beautiful, sexy shoulders. That's it. Lift and lower. Great exercise to firm all right through here. Giving your arms beautiful shape. That's it. Sculpted arms. We got two more of these. Last one. Good. Now we hold it up here and bring your arms together, your elbows together, and baby presses. What you're doing here is pressing your hands together, your elbows, your forearms. Press. This is now working the inside of your chest, right here. No more bra overhang. That's right. We're gonna firm our bust. Lift and tone. That's it. Good. Are your elbows together? Feel like they're glued together. Press them together. Isometrically press. Harder together. Make sure you're doing this right. Standing up tall. Stomach is in. Back is strong and straight. Notice my elbows are a little high. I'm not doing this. It's lifted. That's it. Great. Press together. Squeeze them together. Last one. Okay. Can you feel it all through here? Wonderful. And now press in and open and in and open. Elongate the arms. Lengthen and strengthen. Lengthen the muscles of your biceps, of your upper back. That's it. Open up through the chest. This will also help improve your posture. Lift and firm up. Lift and chest press. That's it. Got a couple more just like that. Lift and press. Lift and press. Okay, now you're going to bring one arm all the way up. Hold it up there and do baby lifts up and down. That's it. But make sure your legs are bent and your arm is lifting up, up, up. That's it. Beautiful. Just concentrate right now on this one arm to really strengthen and tone and firm all back here. That's it. Now hold it up there and bend and straight and bend and straight. Can you feel it even though you're not wearing weights or even wrist weights? You're just using your own muscles to do your workout. It's a lot of kind of putting that mind to your muscle, thinking about pushing and strengthening, so you're lengthening and toning at the same time, giving beautiful shape to your arms. We got two more. I love this one. Last one, and release. Let's go to the other side. Lift it first. Lean slightly, placing your hand on your upper thigh. Lean slightly forward so you really get the back of your shoulders. That's it, as well as your triceps. Press. Put your shoulder blades down and back. That's it. Lift that hand higher and higher. Good workout. That's it. Shaping and toning and sculpting. Chiseling your arms. That's it. Last one, hold it up there. Now bend. Notice that arm stays nice and steady, the upper part of the arm. That's it. Lift and bend. Okay, making sure you're doing it right. That's it. It's not flailing it. You're not swinging it. You're really focusing on the muscle here. That's it. Slow and controlled. Let the muscle do the work, not momentum. And muscles work miracles on your metabolism. That's it. Muscles that stay firm and toned, nothing will droop or sag. We got 2 more of these. You can do it. Last one, hold it up there. Beautiful. Great. Now it's time for our arm circles. The first one is just circle slowly all the way forward, making sure your arms are strong and straight. Elbows are nice and strong. Your muscles are strong. That's it. Little circles, very small circles. Keeping your arms right here. Don't drop those arms. Okay, now circle in the backward direction. Back, little ones. That's it. Strong arms. Good. Strong bodies. That's it. Good. And now placing your hands up, and they'll do presses up, like you're pushing it up, up high, pushing the roof up. Come on, strong arms, lift it higher, press, press, press. Now down, down, in all directions. That's it, push it down. You'll feel it all through here. Yes, strong arms, great. Now forward, little pushes, forward, forward. The direction is forward like you're clapping. And backwards, good. Push it back. You got it, good. That's it. Okay, relax. Shoulder presses up. That's it, down and push up. That's it. Feel as though you're pushing a 10-pound box over your head. Push it above. That's it, really. Isometrically, feel the muscles working. That's it. Concentrate. Focus on toning and shaping and sculpting your arms. Beautiful. Got 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Now bring those arms behind you and slowly lean forward. Your arms are going to go up and back down. This is now shaping the back of your arms, your shoulders, no more bra overhang. That's it. Firm and toned the upper back. So you have a nice chiseled back. It looks good from behind. Good, beautiful back. That's it. Keeping your back strong and straight. Try to get the shoulder blades together back there. That's it. Together. Good. You got it. 2 more. Last one. Okay, and now we take it in and out. Just reach out and pull back in. This is now working a different part of the biceps and shoulders. We're working it from all angles. Working each and every part of the arms, the chest, the shoulders, your upper back. That's it. Reach out and pull back in. Reach out and pull back in. Really feel it pull. That's it. 2 more. Last one, pull. Now hold it right here. Good. Now bring it forward, just like you're serving a tray, and back. Now you're working on the upper back muscles. Squeeze. That's it. Squeeze your shoulder blades behind you. That's the exercise. You're strengthening all the muscles that align your spine to keep you healthy, to keep your back looking beautiful. That's it. Sexy back. Pull back. That's it. Try that again. Pull back. Got 1 more. Pull back. Now hold it and baby pulses. You're pushing your elbows back behind you. Behind you. That's a little harder, but it improves your posture. That's it. It strengthens the upper back muscles. Good. They help you stand upright all the time. Push your elbows behind you. In, in, in. That's it. Focus. That's it. Beautiful. You're going to get stronger. Strong is sexy. That's it. We got 2 more. Got 1 more. Okay, bring them up and overhead. and pull them forward. Bring them up and overhead and pull them forward. And stretch and tone. Good. Lift, cross behind you and down. Bring them up like a chalk and over. That's it. Excellent. Just a few more of these. You can do it. Lift up and over. One more. Up and over. And now pull down, lift back up. Pull down, lift back up. It's a pull down for lats, giving you that beautiful shape so your waistline goes in. Shape it, tone it back there. Good, no more bra overhang where you could picture right where you're working, right through here. Push down, that's it. Really pull. Like you're pulling a pulley all the way down. And squeeze your elbows behind you. Squeeze. Beautiful. You got this. Stand up tall. That's it. Couple more. Lat pull down. Last one. Really go down and all the way up. And now just stretch it out. Oh, you did it. Just recover the muscles now and stretch it out. Beautiful. And to the other side. Lift up and stretch. That's a beautiful stretch. And now slowly bring one arm up overhead and give yourself a pat on the back for doing so well today. Stretching out the triceps. That's it. Hold the stretch. Great. A little more. Breathe into the stretch. And relax. Switch arms. Give yourself another pat on the back. You deserve it. That's it. That's it. Give yourself a pat. Hold it up there. Feel that wonderful stretch. Stretch it out. That's it. Stretch and tone. Oh, beautiful. Now open up through the chest. Place your hands behind you. Open up the chest. That's it. Chest high. Open up through the heart. And bring your elbows to touch. And stretch back. And one more time. Touch. And back. Stretch, stretch. And relax. And there you have a beautiful arm, upper body workout.